Hey folks, Bob here. About a year ago, I did a video on this truck. This is my 2000 Dodge Dakota. It's my daily work truck. And I'm a mobile paint touch-up guy for car dealers. I go around and do cosmetic repairs, paint chips, scratches, headlights, wheels, that kind of stuff for car dealers. So I carry a lot of paint supplies in the back of my truck. And I bought this tonneau cover off of a marketplace, Facebook Marketplace. It's a 3-door job, which really was what I was looking for. And but it was light gray when I got it. I think one of the doors somebody had painted like a medium gray. So I said that's not going to work. And I didn't want to paint it body color because it would be too expensive, and it just wouldn't have held up. And I wanted like a bed liner. I had a truck years ago. Had a grainy bed liner coating from the factory on it, and it held up great. So I went online, did a little research, and I came up with a Raptor liner, R-A-P-T-O-R, Raptor liner. So what I did, I bought the kit from them. I think it was like 120 bucks off Amazon, and that's what I used, the roll-on kit for the bed liner, the top here, the tonneau cover, I should say, and plenty of product to do the tonneau cover. Problem I ran into was they only gave you 2 rollers, and the rollers didn't last long. So I had done a little research, found out that a lot of guys ran into that same problem. So I went up to my local Dollar General store, and bought I think 4 more rollers, and I used all 4 of them too. And I was able to get it. I was able to get the job done, but the Dollar General rollers were fine, of course. And the Raptor rollers were coarser. So I had a really nice looking finish on it, but only able to get 1 coat with the 2 that Raptor supplied, and they just fell all to pieces. So put the others on it with the finer coat, so I don't have the grain on it that I wanted, but it still looks good. But my point is, I want to see. It's been a year now. It's been 13 months, and I want to show you guys how this has held up. And also on the inside, the bed of the truck, I did a Raptor liner, but I did the spray on with aerosol, with big giant tall cans. I think they're 12-ounce can, maybe 16-ounce, can't remember. Ended up using 5 cans. I bought 3 originally, and that got some coverage, but you can still see some of the copper showing through. So I went and bought 2 more cans. So I think I paid 120 bucks for the kit for the tonneau cover, plus the Dollar General rollers, which were about $3 a piece. Then you got I think the cans were around $25 a piece. So I bought $100 there, then 2 more, so $150. So probably about $300 to do the bed and the tonneau cover. Now, it's been 13 months. How has it held up? And I've been working out of this truck a lot, almost every day. Buffers, stitching cords, mixing paint, all kind of different things, sliding generators in and out. $300 for top and inside. Let's look at it and see how it came out, okay? Okay, the top held up really well. And here's the grain I was talking about. It's not as coarse as I wanted. A little chip right here, and just around this edge here, it's chipping a little bit. Multiple openings and closing and going up and down the road. Again, $300 total for all of it. Just look all around here. There's some chipping there. You can see I beat the truck up loading stuff in it here, so that gives you an idea when we look inside what you're going to see. I think that's just a paint from a paintbrush there. If you buy the roll-on Raptor, I would suggest getting, even if you got a full-size truck, get about 6 brushes, roller brushes. All right, so we raised this thing up. I got it locked. Hold on a second. Let me show you something. When I put the key in it, just with the other hand, I think. You see the key is rubbing, and I opened this thing a lot during the day, and it hasn't wore the finish off. All right, so this is all the stuff I carry with me. You know, compound pads and different compounds in here, all my different paints, generator. And of course, spill a lot of paint. And that's actually some red paint. It really has held up well. It's rubbed through in some few spots, but again, I didn't spend a bunch of money for a high dollar spray and breakdown liner. sliding the generator in and out. I've chipped it up a little bit. This is a true bona fide work truck. And I slide this out quite a bit. This is some of my more popular paints that we use often. And it's held up good there. As a matter of fact, I worked out of the truck today and yesterday I worked out of it. About 4 days a week I'm working on this truck. I try to take one day off to give myself a little break. And again, just chipping here and there. And I carry my buffer in here, and this is a thing for my umbrella to give me some shade. And this is just dust from this concrete in here. That's all that is, just concrete dust. This thing's got a hole in it, as you can see right there. And that's all that is, just a little concrete in there. But I think that's held up pretty well. A little bit right there where it's been rubbing on it by laying on it. And I take this buffer in and out a couple of times a day, different jobs I'm working on. And let's go over here. Yeah, this is just compound and paint, mostly paint that I mix up. I mix up these little paper cups, and sometimes they just fall over. It's not flat. And in here is where I keep my stool, and that's why that's beat up like that. So let me take this stool out. Pardon me for a second. And you see why I beat the hell outside the truck there. And taking that stool, it's got a metal side on it. It has the original paint in there. It's kind of nicked it up a little bit, but it's really, the bed liner itself, it's not peeling or flaking off or anything like that. I ain't doing anything special. I just washed it out good with soap and water, scuffed it with a scuff pad, and yoga mat that I use just to put my knees on. Putting this ladder in and out when I'm doing a taller truck and have to work on the roof. I get that ladder. So I think it's held up well, guys. I really do. Again, pretty pleased with that. So you tell me, what do you guys think? For $300, got both of them done. Did it myself. Did one in one afternoon, the other afternoon. Let them both dry for about 2 days, cure out the sun. Then I mounted the tonneau cover, and then I took the truck straight to work, loaded up my stuff and took it to work that quickly. So anyway, I hope that helps you guys. It's been 13 months, and after working in it, I've seen some of the professional liners that have held up pretty good with rock being put in the trucks and stuff. But those, I think those liners are around $800 or $900, maybe more than that. So just food for thought. If you weren't doing what I'm doing, it would have held up a lot better. If you're just looking to make your truck look nice and you're not hauling a lot of stuff in it, then this would have held up way better. But I'm pretty pleased with this. It's definitely protecting my truck, and I can just cover back over that probably with a spray and hide most of that. So guys, I hope that helps you out. I hope it gives you an idea on the Raptor spray in for inside here and roll on for here. And I prefer spray on for inside the bed, my personal experience. I've done quite a few spray on for customers. I've used several different brands, and I was pretty pleased with the Raptor spray in liner. That was pretty thick and pretty even spray and stuff. So I'm gonna do this truck here next. We'll do a video of it hopefully in the next month or so, and I'm gonna use Hercules on it. I'm gonna try that product. So there you go, folks. Hit that thumbs up. Hope you guys liked this video. Hope it's helpful to you. And if you can watch a couple more of the videos, that helps the algorithm, helps the channel grow, and helps the videos get seen so more people can find out about this stuff. I've got all kinds of content on this channel that I think you'll find. We do some race cars, some junkyard crawls, some fixing cars, and a couple of wheel it starts, and just a lot of different things. Some car show stuff too. So scroll down, pick a video out that you like. Scroll way on down. We've been doing this for 3 years now. You can scroll down for an hour probably. And I think this is a great tonneau cover. I love the 3 doors. I really do. Anyway, guys, I appreciate your watching the video. Subscribe if you want to, if you like watching automotive content. Just trying to bring you just regular guys working out of their garage in their home, trying to fix stuff up. All right, folks, take care. Bob out.